ASD 1210. This is week 2. Pulling in static data. I chose 3 different forms. I chose were JSON, XML, and CSV data. Um, Things that went well for me this week was really just getting the code written out. It was pretty easy. It wasn't as hard as what I thought it was going to be. The only problem that I had was that I had some issues I worked out with Marianne. It was you know basically when I created the buttons, I didn't put an ID, and so I fixed that. Everything works. Click event works. But I was having a problem with Chrome. For some reason didn't want to load the data. It kept giving me the SOP error, telling me it wasn't allowed. I don't know what the problem with that was, but in Safari it works perfectly, as you can see. Here's all my data. That's the JSON, XML data. So as you can see, it clears, and then my little div clears, and then it loads the XML data. And then if I click CSV data, it does the same thing. There you go. It works. It's all nice and pretty. Just as as far as skills from previous courses, I'm not too sure. This is all kind of new stuff. I mean, going back to learning JSON data itself, learning how it's set up, and then learning how to parse it. In MIU and VFW, those were things that really needed to know this time around. But as far as other apps that use remote data, I'm using this is SoundCloud. This is SoundCloud's mobile app. It uses remote data. Basically what it does is it gives you a form. You upload your file, your song listing, give it descriptions, names, taglines, and stuff like that. It saves it to a database so that when you you can search around. And let's see, for instance, we'll search dubstep. Let's see, as you can see, as I'm typing, it grabs keywords, key list, that kind of thing. Click on one, and then it pulls everything with the taglines with dubstep in it, or title, or anything like that. And then that's how that works pretty much with that. It's fairly straightforward and simple. So anyway, that's how that works. That's my project for the week, and hope you guys did pretty well, and good luck with you. Oh yeah, by the way, Marianne, if you're testing this, like I said, it works in Safari. For some reason it was acting up in Chrome and Firefox. I don't know what the deal with that is, but it's all nice and pretty here in Safari. So anyway, have a good one.